The bag of Kenya. $5 boss to feed. But me never have $5, I have 400. I had $4.70. When you see them bag, some other Jamaican people are selling for $8. And then you look a bigger one, $12. I kid you not. So you know what I'm going to do right now? Anytime I come at this side of town, I go check the man that come and owe him 30 cents. Yeah man. I'm going to buy and give him $1 or $2 every time. Happy Sunday to me. Plus, you boss serve it in a Ziploc bag. Bomba, it was stylish. Next one them, a lot of bag. And it tie up for $8 and $12. I kid you not. You know what? I think this amount I will get for $12 too. I swear. Jeez. At this amount I'm gonna start support now. And then sell one sticker can and sticker calling for $2.99. But I want Spanish supermarket. So I'm rather support the yard man. As me I say. And this is probably a 2 sticker can or 1.5 stick. If I that you call it. And the next thing. There's no bump. No bump. And none of cans. None. Mommy just can cut off the bump them. You see one them for $8 and $12. Then bumpy man. Then come like they have herpes or be a bump. You don't get your money's worth. So this basically without the bumps would be what they must sell for $12, $15. I kid you not. The man a real G, you know if you hustle. Right now I feel if I go to my yard. Go for $15 because nobody walk with cash. Well, not me. And buy 2 bags and tip him $5. I that me gonna do, man. Not even no nice so. And the man think pre-bagged. I didn't have to sit and wait like the other cane people. Then you have to sit down and wait and put on a flasher. The man think pre-bagged, yo. What a proper customer service and customer care. The man even say, yo, I could have even $4 you have. Yeah, I'll get you and go on. I'm like, damn, I have to go back and support him. Yeah, man, I'm going for your money right now, man. Man, I'm like a hug, you know. Nice. See?